Trading hour. We're right at the end of the earnings season, so there's lots to talk about. And the corporate that we're going to invite on the show now is PG Electroplast. They posted a strong set of second quarter earnings. The revenue has gone up 40%. The EBITDA margin has also expanded by 240 basis points. So there's been a big jump there as well. We're joined by the company's MD of Operations, Vikas Gupta, to take some questions on where things could be headed from here on and what he sees for all of FY24 as well. Mr. Gupta, thanks a lot for joining us. This is Pavitra. You know, if I can just begin by asking you about the revenue, because it's been a very strong showing this time. It's up around 40%. What do you expect for the full year right now? I mean, I know you've given a guidance of 2,800 crores. Is that completely on track? I'll come to the individual businesses in just a bit. But overall, do you think 2,800 crores is still on track?
So, hi, Pavitra. We are confident. The guidance of 2,800 crores that we have given, we are confident of achieving that. And we are on track of that, actually. So if you look at in the first half of the year, the H1 of the current financial year, we have already crossed the revenue of almost around 1,100 crores. And for us, typically, the second half of the financial year is always strong because there are a lot of sales coming from our cooling products like air conditioners and air coolers as well. So we are very confident that we should be able to hit the numbers of 2,800 crores going forward.
Do you expect to go beyond that as well then? Would you like to up that guidance since you're sounding so confident?
So as of now, we like to maintain same guidance. We don't want to give any upgrade on that. So we are watching because we need to be very, we are just watching how the AC season will play out, how the weather will play out. So we'll keep it at 2,800 crores only as well.
Okay, so 2,800 crores it is, Mr. Gupta. Talk to us about trends that you're seeing in individual segments as well, because I think the TV segment is firing away for you. Our colleagues tell us that the growth was, I think, 150% there. You're also in a JV for LED televisions, and there is the air conditioning segment. Give us some idea about how these individual businesses are doing and also what the mix is going to be. This 2,800 crores, by the time you get to it, what's going to be the breakup in terms of the higher margin businesses versus some of the ones that are at lower margin?
So for us, when we look at the breakup for the revenue out of 2,800 crores, almost 2,000 crores will be coming from our product business. And in that 2,000 crores, it will be almost like the AC will be around 1,400 crores. And then washing machine should be almost around 300 crores. And balance will come from our air coolers and those businesses. Electronics as a business, as a TV business, also growing at a rapid clip. And we are starting our new operations under JV. We are setting up a new plant, which should be up and running by January of 2024. And there will be putting all our electronics TV operations. And that should give a good traction for us in going forward in next 2-3 years. In ACs as well, we are starting a new factory in North India, in Bhiwadi, in Rajasthan. That should be also up and running by January of 2024. There we will be starting with the window ACs as well. Windows ACs is one product that has been missing from our product offering in AC. So as we start window ACs, so it will strengthen further our product offering in AC category. And we are getting a very strong feelers and the response from our clients in all our product categories.
Okay, so just a follow-up question on this. You said that this LED plant, LED TV plant that's coming up. So when it goes to full ramp up, and that's going to be in FY25, what are the revenues that you'll draw from there? How big will the TV business become next year?
So TV business itself should be around 500 to 800 crores. I'm giving a broad band there. So it should be around 500 to 800 crores in FY24. But that will be in the JV company, which is not part of PG Electroplast, which is basically a 50-50 JV between us and a Jana Group. So the revenue will not be counted under PG Electroplast that way.
Got that. In terms of the margin profile, is there scope to improve margins? Do TVs fetch better margins? I think you've guided for around 7.5%. What can drive the number there?
So please understand, the TV business, when you look at, is not very strong on the margins. the TV business, the electronic business per se is very strong when you look at ROC and ROE numbers. That way it becomes very strong, the TV business. Overall, when we talk about the air conditioners and the wash machines, there we are confident of maintaining the guidance of 7.5% to 8%. We are seeing a softening of commodity prices, and we have done certain activities on regarding the cost control. And we feel that we should be able to maintain the overall guidance of almost 7.5% going forward.
Okay, just one more question, because you were mentioning the window ACs. What is the kind of potential that you see over there? What is the kind of size that you think that can get to?
Please understand, the window AC is almost around 15 to 17% of the total AC market, and it is remaining static at that level. Initially, there was certain thoughts that the window AC market will come down, but actually it is holding on to that level of almost around 15 to 17%. So on the initial first year of our operations, we are looking at almost around 100,000 window ACs. And going forward, it should be a decent size of our overall AC business.
So this will also be next year, right?
So we are trying to catch a summer season for FY24 only. So because we are planning to start some production by January, we are in discussion with certain clients, and we have already got some soft commitments from certain clients on our window AC business. So we should be able to do some revenue in our window AC business from our North plant as well.
Okay, all right, Mr. Gupta, we will leave it on that note. Thank you very much for joining in and giving us a lot of the details on the business. That's PG Electroplast. By the way, that's really